everyone, this is Lottie and Sylvis, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Busy doing what I enjoy, what I love doing, I have compassion for, and that's making amigurumi stuffed animals. So I just got done making this brontosaurus. It's a really cute little brontosaurus. So I am going to embroidery eyes on it. And as you can see over there, those are customer orders that I have done. And I'll move this over so you guys can see that I did make a triceratops. And he's a big guy, but getting ready for the craft shows in December. So I'm making things, but I also have orders that I have done. I did a Sailor Moon here, as you can see. This is a big Sailor Moon, and I really love this gal, so I'm going to make another one of these. And this particular Sailor Moon goes to a customer along with Sailor Mars, and she wanted it smaller, so I found me another pattern to make Sailor Mars. Okay, I could make a big Sailor Mars just like this, but she wanted the other one smaller because the other one was too big. So this is going to be gone next week, and I am going to make more of these for my craft shows. All right, everyone, I made this video because I'm sharing with you I'm working less and less, and I'm kind of a little bit tired working as a CNA, and I know I don't want to do it forever, so I am going to retire soon, probably in another 5 years or maybe less. And I am working less because I'm working 2 days a week instead, and sometimes I pick up a shift because there's nobody enjoy the kind of work I do. I am a CNA, and I do have a lot of orders from nurses making things, and at the same time I'm doing craft shows, so I do many things, but this is what I enjoy doing the most, and I can't wait till the day I retire because I'm going to do more craft shows and keep doing it because this is my passion. I don't make much money doing this, okay? I can, but I can only work so fast and making orders, you know. So I think this cute little brontosaurus came out really cute, and I used a smaller gauge needle to make this little one. Compared to this big triceratops, you can see the difference, but either way, they are all so cute. Okay, so I am actually going to make a little triceratops now and a bigger brontosaurus. So then after that, I'm going to make a cheetah because someone requested me to make a cheetah. So and all of this takes work, but this is what I enjoy doing, and I have just been doing this for the past, I would say for the past 10 years. I've been doing more crochet, doing more things that I love to do. Also, I made this video because if you are working and you don't like your job, it's actually best to quit your job, okay? And because you only live in a certain time frame, between the time frame of your birth to death. So you're living in a dash in between. And what you make the most of your life here is really important, okay? If you're doing a job that you don't love doing it, then, you know, I would look for a job that you enjoy doing, or otherwise just quit your job. So in this next video clip, I'm going to share with you what's really interesting that I found on YouTube, and I want you to take a look at it, and I want you to watch this video because it's really important, all right, to do the things that you enjoy and love doing and have the passion to do it. And don't waste your time. You know, do what you love to do. Don't work for someone else. You know, if if you're not enjoying your job. So find something that you enjoy, because it's really important. What is valuable for you, what you desire, is really important. And you need to find something that you can follow your heart to be happy. All right, so take a look at this clip, and I will see you at the end of this video.
In case you didn't know, one day you will die. And I want to show you why the job that you have that you hate is a waste of your life. See, this right here is our childhood and our teenage years, and we have a lot of fun. And most of us usually get a job right around here at 20 years old. And most people will retire at the age of 65. Now, if we're lucky, we'll live all the way to 80 years old. Now, if you look at this, the majority of our lives will actually be spent at work. But a recent Gallup poll found that 85% of people in America don't enjoy their jobs. And in China and Japan, that number is almost 94%. Now, that's a crazy statistic. Most people hate what they do, but spend most of their lives doing it. Do you want to spend the majority of your life doing something that you hate doing? And just so you know, if you're slaving away for retirement down here, you're missing the point. Because only 82% of people in the world will actually live to the age of 65. And if you get to 65, on average, you only have about 15 more years left to live after you retire. And also, so you know, only 65% of people actually live into the age of 80. So don't stay at a job where you dread Mondays and live for the weekends. If you don't like your job, quit it. Find another way to make money. It's okay to wake up tomorrow and completely reinvent yourself and become the person that you've always wanted to be. It's never too late to start. Now, you may be thinking, well, that's unrealistic because I have a family to feed. And what I want you to think of is this. If your children grow up just to be just like you, and you work a job that you hate, guess what they will do when they get older? The same thing. Do you want that life for them? Wouldn't you rather have your children watch you live a fulfilled life doing what you love so that they can grow up and do the same? Even if it means that you make less money? Because no matter how you make your money, whether you're the CEO of a billion-dollar company or a janitor, we all end up as dust. And so it's with really great love and respect that I want to challenge you to rethink your life. If you're not happy with your job or your purpose or your meaning in life, change it. It's okay to make less money doing something that you love and not feel the need to buy a bigger house or a new car just because your neighbor did. You don't have to keep up with the Joneses. Don't fear being judged by people just because you don't have that great job title. Don't look back at the end of your life and see unfulfilled dreams or chances that you didn't take and days that were just wasted away at a job that you hated. Don't be so busy making a living that you forget to actually make a life, because life is so short. Do something that you love and be proud of it. And when you're not working, spend that time with the people that you love. Because here's the deal. You weren't born to just pay the bills and die. You were born to thrive.
Well, everyone, I'm back. Thanks for watching. You find it very interesting watching it? I did. Okay, and I wanted to share it with you. Okay, because you are important to me. My audience is important to me. And anyway, this, I just finished it, and if you can see, I did put some itty bitty eyes and a mouth on it, and it's a cute little dinosaur for any little baby. So that is over here. I'm getting ready. I'm probably gonna make a green one this time, or I haven't figured out what I'm going to do. But it is really important to follow your passion and do what you enjoy doing, okay? Even if you're not making enough money, you can figure out what you're good at, and you can actually, whatever you want, you can actually do it. You know, you just have to have that drive to do it. So thank you for watching my video. I hope that what you have watched is really important and very, very, very valuable video. And I found this video under the Creative Commons, and I just wanted to break it down. And I actually put some subtitle with Spanish because there's a lot of people that can't understand English. So some of my videos I create, I have Spanish subtitles so they can actually watch it. Those are the most popular languages, Spanish and English, so I use that most of the time. And once in a while I will upload other languages too, so you have to just check out my videos, okay? So anyway, thank you for stopping by my channel. You're new to my channel, read my channel description, watch my videos. Please like my videos, leave your comments, give me suggestions on what types of content you want to hear that I can actually share with you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video when I upload. See you later, everyone, and talk to you soon. Bye.